in our journey as we launch the World's AIDS Day Half Marathon, a powerful event aimed to raise awareness, unite us in solidarity, and assess the strides that we have made in the fight against HIV. And we really commend the great work that has been done globally, regionally, as well as within our country. The global objective, as we know, remains clear. We hope to end AIDS by 2030 and guarantee treatment for all people living with HIV, as well as preventing HIV new infections. The countdown is on, and we are committed to reaching this. So we have only 6 years left, but I believe that we can race against time and we can achieve this and end AIDS by 2030, as well as ensure that all our people living with HIV are on treatment, as well as preventing new infections. This marathon again is integral part of Kenya's national spirit, because it symbolizes our resilience and athletic prowess. But again, today's marathon goes beyond this. It's a call to action in a battle we cannot afford to lose.